We're going to carry on looking at the different scenarios in the labour market for building, and we've established that the demand for labour in the building market is derived from, it comes from the demand for houses, because you need the builders to be able to build the houses which are being demanded. And we have the different scenario diagrams here of what happens to the wage rate, which is what we're looking at when you have certain changes in the market. So we'll go on to number 6. House building firms' profits decrease. This means what they want you for this exam board to realise. In this case, it must mean that the quantity demanded of houses is going down. If firms which are building houses are seeing their profits going down, it means that less houses are being demanded. If less houses are being demanded, there will be a decrease in the quantity demanded of building labour. So that's what they're looking at here. So that will be this diagram here, number 1, because the quantity demanded for labour in this labour market is going down. Remember, left is less, and that causes the wage rate to fall from W to W1. So this one is diagram number 1. Next one, immigration of many skilled builders. If you have a lot of skilled builders coming in, remember immigration is coming into the country, then this will increase the quantity supplied of building labour. There will be more supply of labour in that market. And this will cause the supply curve to shift to the right, the increase in supply, which is diagram 3 here. And you can see that as a result, the wage rate falls from W to W1. So that's number 3. The next one, real wages for builders increase. This is saying that you are paying builders more, and if the amount that you're paying builders goes up, then businesses will demand less of that labour. So the building companies will demand less of the labour. So the quantity demanded for building labour will go down. And you could look on the diagram, you could either show a shift in demand. Overall, they'll demand less labour because they have to pay more. For example, it would be the same as this one, the national minimum wage increasing. So you could say that the quantity demanded shifts to the left, you go from W to W1, but even better would be to say that you look on the diagram like this one over here, you see that the wage rate is lower, and you can see that the wage rate has gone up, and as the wage rate has gone up, you can see that the amount that's demanded at this new wage rate is actually less, because it was here and now it's here. You're moving along the demand curve because the wage rate is higher. The next one, more building firms start offering free gym membership to employees. This will make more people want to be a builder. That's the argument. So the quantity supplied of building labour will go up because they'll want to have this non-monetary benefit of being a builder. And therefore the quantity supplied increases, quantity supplied shifts to the right, and the wage rate falls from W to W1. The last one, building firms stop offering Christmas bonuses to employees. That takes us to the last possible diagram that you can have in the labour market, and that is where, as a result of them not giving these bonuses, less people perhaps want to be builders, and therefore the quantity supplied of building labour goes down. And remember, if it goes down, there's less labour being supplied. Left is less. So shift to the left here. That should be parallel. And that will be S1. And then put in your new equilibrium, which is here and here. And you can see that the wage rate, because of a lower supply now of labour, has gone from W to W1. It's gone up. And the quantity has fallen from Q to Q1.